What is up, you guys? My name is Izzy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use Slack. As you guys know, this is a new year, so happy new year to any of you guys who have new goals, new ambitions, or just new things that you guys want to get done this year. Fortunately for me, guys, yes, I have been telling you guys like this for the past couple months that I have been working on a Discord, then a Slack, then back to the Discord. But I met up with a couple of new developers throughout this year, or I should say last year, and me and him and another person actually decided to make a group for Slack called NadeSnkrz, which you can find down on our Twitter. We are just new, we're still in our beta, and we will be releasing this Friday and on January 18th, 2019. We don't have a specific time frame yet. We will be posting something on our Twitter, so make sure you follow at NadeSnkrz, NadeSnkrz. It will be down in the description. Make sure you guys follow us, put your bell notifications when we tweet out something, and then to any of those that are already in our group for Discord, I hope you guys have a better session this year with us because our monitors are going to be 10 times faster due to Slack being 10 times better than Discord. Anyways, guys, this video is pretty much just going to teach you guys how to use Slack. I'm going to show you guys how to navigate through it because I know a lot of people are so used to Discord. So I'm just going to make a little quick tutorial on how to use it. Are you guys new to my channel? My name is Izzy. What I do is pretty much do tutorials, show you guys shoe reviews, and tell you how to get an item using specific bots or the things that I would recommend. Anyways, guys, so I use an example. This is one of my old ones that I made a long time ago. If you're starting your own group and you want to make a monitor page or do something like that, all you really got to do is just create your thing. I called it SellSneakerz, which was my website, which is in under development because I have something that I want to do as an idea. But anyways, pretty much, guys, what you got to do is if you're in our Slack, which I'm not going to be showing you guys because I want it to be kind of like a secret, and I want you guys to you know, be able to access it when you guys purchase a subscription, which is currently between $20 to $25 at first. So then, regarding the time frame later, we'll probably either up the price depending on how successful we do become, which I have a feeling that we are. I do have a couple of screenshots which I will be posting here on the screen in 2 seconds, just to show you guys that our monitors are going quick as hell, and it's probably faster than any other group that I've been into. In all seriousness. I want to give a big shout out to Jimmy and our other developer Dan, who's been working really hard with the monitors and keeping up to date with everything else that I've been slacking on. So this year I really want to get a lot of shit done. I do want to start making more videos for you guys. I know I have been slacking. School has started for me this week, so I just want to get this stuff rolling again. So, anyways, guys, back to what I was saying. If you guys gonna see a couple of stuff that's over here, different channels. To navigate towards them, all you gotta do is pretty much click into them. But in order for you to actually join them, all you really gotta do is go on channels. Then you would click one of these, and as soon as you click it, it's gonna be on the left side. Now, I'm gonna try to make it a little bit easier for you guys. So once you guys join our Slack, I am gonna be on there pretty much 24/7. Make sure that you guys have any questions, I'm able to answer it as long as Jimmy and the other developer that we have here named Miles. So after that's pretty much said and done, you're gonna have a long list on the left side. I'm gonna show you guys pretty much a little sneak peek of what it's gonna be. So this is the real one right here. I don't want to click that yet, but pretty much like you're gonna see a big list on pretty much on the left side, and then in order for us to add more channels, you just pretty much click this, name it, the purpose of it, and then here's where I can invite you guys automatically, or I can put a link down in the description where it automatically invites you. But of course, guys, that's not going to be available until Friday when I do give you guys the code to check out and purchase the actual subscription. So to any of you guys that are supportive to my channel, I would do recommend you guys join this thing. This is going to be in beta mode. Like I said, it will be releasing on January 18th. We don't know the time yet, but we do expect to do something pretty soon. So just like I said, stay up to date. If any of you guys have been in our Discord, we have been cooking a lot, actually a lot from before. I'm just gonna post this real quick right here. So we had more people. We had 173 people that were in here. After that, we kind of just stopped. But pretty much we have some stuff that we got going. Like I said, we were pretty much monitoring all websites and stuff. Our Our thing is to pretty much just get as much success as we can for you guys. We aren't all this for the money, as you can tell. $20 to $25 isn't as much as any other group, so pretty much we're just trying to help you guys out. Like I said, we're gonna try to help you guys navigate through Slack because I know Slack can be a little bit confusing. I'm more used to Discord myself, but I do plan on getting more used to Slack. So you guys won't have to worry about us getting invited to your stuff. I'll make sure that you guys have your things and just be up to date and make sure you guys are watching our YouTube, or I should say my YouTube channel, and then seeing what stuff I'll be posting on it. So anyways, guys, thank you to all supporters that supported us in 2018. 2019 is going to be our year, and like I said, just make sure you follow NadeSnkrz on Twitter, and then we'll keep you guys up to date on when we release officially live. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If this video didn't help or did help, please let me know down in the sections in the comments below. If you guys have any other questions or are interested, you're more than welcome to comment down below, and we will be giving, like I said, a link to you guys to purchase a subscription on Friday. I'll be making another video on how to get the off-whites that are releasing, I guess, now on February 2nd due to something getting pushed back. I'll be making a video this week about it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, I hope I see you guys in my Slack group, and I hope you guys are able to cook using the stuff that we have. Anyways, guys, have a great day today. Make this year the best year it can be, and I'll be seeing you guys throughout the week. Peace.